Harrison's recording, guys, so I was...
Yeah.
Oh, Harrison's the one recording. Okay.
Well, Moffat just spun, but I missed it.
No.
Ben Rhodes to the lead with a big run on the high side, getting pushed by Grant Enfinger.
First sport, 1, 2, 3 on that top side.
Oh man, they
It's
caught up
Derek
to him
Cope
fast.
again.
Oh god.
It's Derek Cope again, oh my god.
A 25 of Timothy Peters, getting pushed by the 18 of Chandler Smith. Gets a big run to the lead, goes Peters. Coming to 11 laps to go here at Daytona.
Oh, okay, when are you gonna take that dump?
Oh my god.
Roads to the line.
We're
literally going to commercial on the line.
Oh
gonna
man.
keep on trucking here at Daytona.
Is there a pun intended because of the Ram commercial?
No, I thought they didn't order it.
Hopefully there's no ad. Hopefully there's no ad claims in this video because it's gonna get a ton if this does.
Yeah, just edit them out if you need to.
Oh,
The 18 of Chandler Smith to the lead, but Timothy Peters fighting back in the bottom, getting pushed by the 51 of Drew Dollar.
Drew Dollar.
I'm shocked it hasn't gone 3 wide yet.
Yeah.
The 18 to the outside of the 25, getting a big push from the 51.
I think
I still think that's funny in voice.
how many's in this pack? Like top 20?
He can do it better. Oh yeah, I think top.
The Vince Welch voice. The Vince Welch voice.
Smith and Ben got a run. They had a big draft.
Big lead for Chandler Smith and Ben Rhodes.
These guys are going side by side, and the top 5 like 3 seconds ahead. Get single file.
The top 4, single file. Grant Enfinger on board, passing the 51.
Yep, there
The
goes
25
Grant.
of Timothy Peters for 4th place.
Who's gonna be the first to make it 3 wide? Who's gonna be the first making it 3 wide?
Enfinger with a big run, going for the lead.
He's gotta push. He's gotta push from Crafton. He's got Lassard and Creed as well behind him. Chandler's got it though.
Fighting back on the inside, but Grant Enfinger
Jennifer, no
fighting
comeback.
back with the side draft.
She's in this race?
Yeah.
8 to go.
That's my pick to win. That's my pick to win.
26.
Hey, why
Not
did
even
you pick Jennifer Johnson Cobb?
Because she's the goat.
The 18 of Chandler Smith in second, fighting back on Grant Enfinger. Oh, here's the thing. Vince Welch doesn't always sound. Oh,
He's loose.
For Chandler Smith.
I like how in the middle Wolfgang sentence. I like how in the middle Wolfgang sentence he all just switches to his Vince Welch voice.
Crafton.
Oh, she's 25th.
Matt is committed to Grant. That was close.
That was
That was extremely loose. Chandler Smith.
Chandler got loose and then Matt was hooked to Grant's bumper there.
Honestly, this race
laps
is
to
really
go.
underrated. The package with the truck plate package is great.
See, we were saying that.
Trucks are just great in general. Like,
There's no train. This tire road.
Yep, they got hit.
A tire rub for the 98.
Is that a tire rub or is that engine problems?
Tire for the field.
Did you see
A tire rub for your leader, Grant Enfinger.
The last thing anyone wants is for the leader to have a blown tire.
Oh, he's really smoked. I'm gonna stop commentating this right now.
Watch it. Oh man, that was close.
No.
Oh crap.
They're 3 by 3 by 3.
Chandler's gonna get stalled. Here comes Drew now. Looks like Chandler's also got a tire rub. He's smoking as well. There goes Chandler. I knew it. Is that a yellow though? No yellow yet.
Keep it green, I think. But he stopped. He stopped. He's having to go slow. I think he stalled it.
No, there goes Peters. Hocevar is in it. Ankrum is in it. Others involved. Doza spinning.
Through the grass.
26, we have a lawnmower over here.
Oh god,
He's a lawnmower, dude.
Yeah,
That truck might be out because that's a lot of
There's
grass
the
to
yellow.
Nah, you can still.
Nemechek.
Nemechek involved. What the hell happened? We just saw the 25 Timothy Peters was just spinning and spinning and spinning.
There's Austin Hill. Johnny Sauter.
Johnny Sauter in it.
He's so annoying.
The 26 is Bill Mullen.
Timothy
Who's
Peters
the
was
25?
Timothy Peters was the first sideways. That's him right there in the 25. He was the first sideways, and then it just stacked up after
How does
that.
Timothy Peters not have a full-time rider? Did he choose to go part-time?
He does now. He's in that truck full time now.
Is that Austin Hill?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's Austin. There's Tyler.
Timothy Peters is like in the top 10 every week. Like I've seen him in part-time. But he was a former champion of the truck series. I'm right.
No, he's never won a championship.
What? He never has?
No.
You won Daytona.
Pack and relax, dude.
No.
We need a replay to see what happened.
Yeah, where's the
There's
replay?
there's Carson. There's Carson Hocevar.
I
I guess
think
you could say you could call him Carson. Ah!
I think Jennifer Phil
18 is probably in good shape. He just has 4 flats.
Oh man.
Lassard, no!
He's fine. He's still race.
Yeah, the class. Yeah.
Don't take me out, coach. I can still race.
There's Smith. Yeah, he blew a tire. He blew a tire.
Oh. Right after.
They couldn't be the 2020 class.
Okay, here's the replay.
Well, no, Daytona's always around Festival Trucks.
By the way, Michael, Calvin recording reaction, so please be appropriate.
Yeah, Harrison's recording.
What am
I knew it.
What?
Harrison's recording our
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Chandler
So what happened? What happened? Like,
and Peters just
Luke Peters came down.
Peters just chopped dollar. And let me guess, overcorrect? Yep, he
here's
overcorrects.
the overcorrect. There we go.
That's a 4X for everyone. That's a 4X for everyone.
Right up into them.
Everyone gets a 4X. Everyone gets a 4X.
You get a 4X, you get a 4X, you get a
You get a
4X.
4X. You get a 4X. Oh, guys, anyone down for some 1987 car the parties after truck race?
Maybe.
Yeah.
And they're at
People want to do it.
They're at Legacy
Well, I'm doing the
Daytona.
overcorrect.
I was gonna drive it from
We're not doing 87 cars at Legacy Daytona. We might as well do 8-Fix. 8-Fix is going to be way better.
Yeah, true.
We're going to do 87. Why calm down? They overcorrects too.
Look at the O2. Look at the O2.
Wow. Yeah.
Have something to yell at to make it more real.
Bro, Johnny,
Man.
Finally caught the back of the main pack now.
Alright, well, how many outliving laps does it go?
it's gonna be like 3 to go.
150.
It was 6 to go at the